In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and animate 3D models in PowerPoint. If you've been looking for a way to make your presentations more dynamic and engaging, then you're in the right place. Using 3D models can dramatically enhance the visual appeal of your slides and help your audience understand your content more effectively. So let's dive in and explore how you can bring this high impact element into your presentations. First things first, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. This might seem like an obvious step, but it's important to start with a clean slate. Launch your PowerPoint application and get ready to create or edit your presentation. Once you have PowerPoint open, navigate to the presentation where you'd like to add a 3D model. If you're just starting, you might be opening a blank document. If you're revisiting an existing presentation, open that file so you can see where a 3D model could fit nicely into your content. With your presentation open, we'll turn our focus to adding that model. Go ahead and click on the Insert tab, which you'll find among other options like File, Home, and Design at the top of your PowerPoint window. This tab houses a variety of tools we'll need, including our focus today, 3D models. Once you're in the Insert tab, look for the option labeled 3D models. It might be a little icon with some 3D blocks on it, making it easy to spot. Clicking on 3D models brings up a drop-down menu with several choices. What we're interested in is stock 3D models. These are models that PowerPoint has preloaded and ready for you to use. They're a great starting point if you're new to 3D modeling in presentations, thanks to their variety and ease of access. Click on Stock 3D Models and this will open up a gallery for you to browse. Take your time scrolling through the gallery and select a 3D model that fits the theme or message of your presentation. There's a wide range of categories to explore, each filled with high quality 3D models. Whether you need something professional or playful, there's likely a fit here. Once you've found a model that suits your needs, the next step is to click Insert. This action will place your chosen 3D model directly into your slide. From there you can resize or rotate it as necessary to make it perfect for your layout. Don't forget that adding animations can further enhance your presentation, so feel free to explore PowerPoint's animation options to set your 3D model in motion. And that's it, your presentation just got a stunning 3D upgrade. With just a few clicks, you've opened up a new level of engagement for your audience, so go ahead, experiment with these steps and unlock the full potential of your presentations. Happy creating!